Alright, hey there guys. Today just gonna go through a bit of a slideshow of a project I wrapped up a couple weeks ago. I was building a 6-foot lawn roller. It was actually an uncle that needed one to get one out to where we're at. Well, the cost of it is $1,600. By the time you get freight and tax, the closest place that would make something like that, you'd be looking at $2,700, which is a bit ridiculous. So I looked around and quoted how much it would be for materials, and turned out to be way cheaper. If you want a dollar amount, I think it was $570 Canadian for just the metal alone. All in, consumables, all that came to like $700. So it's a lot easy. It's a lot cheaper. Picked up 6 feet of crop pipe from a local pipe yard. I've been like cut off a 20-foot chunk or whatever. Went ahead and cleaned that up with a wire wheel. Picked that up. It was really good. My wire wheel worked really slick. So I went ahead and tacked up everything. I had in mind to make a great video out of this, but I just got going and I didn't have time to mess with the camera. Got some end caps cut. Everything's built out of 1/4-inch steel, 2.5 by 2.5 angle, 1/4 inch thick. The end caps are 1/4 inch as well. I got them fit so that they slide right in, and then a hole cut in the center for an axle. There's like 160 inches of welding for the end caps alone. Built a pretty simple frame. Got my bearings, good American made bearings. There's it when I got it all welded up, and then it was time to go paint. I'd already did the hitch and never got a picture of that. You'll see it later. Set it up on axle stand so it would spin and I could paint it all in one go. I just did roll-on, didn't want to set up everything for the spray booth or anything like that. Painted it Tremclad. It really should have been powder coated for the roller to keep the paint on there, but for the frame it works out fine, prevents rust and the end caps. It's a pretty simple little project. It fills up with water. When it's filled up with water, it weighs about 1,200 pounds, a little over. Dry weight's about 450, 500. So it's actually only 16 pounds on the ground per inch when it's filled. So it was just a little weekend project. As I said, I would have liked to make a big video out of it, but I just didn't have the time. And I thought I'd throw up these pictures. Maybe you'll take the design or whatever. If you set the bearings farther up, you can actually use that front piece as a scraper bar, depending on what kind of soil, sticky soil you have. So hopefully this helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment. Dimensions and all that stuff will be in the description.